This is the Ariston Andris Lux, which is a new generation of water heaters and has evolved from the market-leading Euro Prisma model. The Andris Lux is more modern and compact and measures in at a height and width of only 36 centimeters with a depth of only 30 centimeters. It gives you a controlled supply of hot water, comes in an undersink and oversinked versions, and connects to your mains water supply. The tank has a special titanium enamelling which helps stop the tank from eroding and ensures the durability of the unit, and the tank is backed by a 3-year guarantee. The Andris Lux features an easy to use temperature dial with an E setting to allow you to maximise economy and a heating lamp to let you know when the water has reached the desired temperature. The Andris Lux is up to A ERP rated, which allows you to save more energy and benefits from fast reheat times. The Andris Lux is extremely versatile and can be installed in 10 easy steps. In most cases, you will need to fit either an expansion vessel, a pressure reducing valve, or a ton dish to go with it. These are available to buy as kits A, B and C and will ensure the unit will work perfectly wherever it's installed. For more information, please visit our website to view our installation guides and tips on where to install your Andris Lux, or call us on 0333 240 6666.